Hello once again, and greetings from Japan. Today we have, it's August the 31st today, and today we have a Toyota Hiace. It's the well cab version for camper conversion. It's a little unusual. It's had quite a lot done to it already, which is kind of useful. Not for camper conversion, but for exterior looks and convenience. It's a 2008 August with 33,000 miles. I think that's 56,000 kilometers. Came from a Toyota auction, and it's a clean car, although it does have some touch-ups on the roof where the paint is peeled a little bit. Anyway, you can take a look at the Dropbox photographs, which will show that blemish. Anyway, the previous owner has done some very nice things to this car, and he's added a late bumper and with a front lip, which looks rather nice, and an aftermarket grille and headlights, which definitely improves the look of the vehicle. He's also put folding adjustable mirrors on the car, which is very different from the standard Hiace van, which just has the manual mirrors. He's also put on some very nice alloys that have Goodyear tires. So he's made it very nice looking. This one also has the skylight windows that some people prefer. And the body is very clean, the exception of the roof, as I mentioned. But the side panels are all very clean. The wheels with caps are like new. I mean, they're really nice. Match the car, I personally think. They match the car very well. This one actually came with aftermarket LED taillights, but they were cheap Chinese junk, and we replaced them with the standard ones. They were already, sadly, they look good, but they were already, the seam was already splitting away from the glass, the back section. So they were. We just noticed it, and you couldn't see it unless you open the back door. Then you notice it. It's anyway. Some aftermarket stuff really is rubbish. And so he's put a dual pipe exhaust on it, so it sounds nice. It's not super raucous, but it's got a nice tone to it. And a rear reverse light. It's not a fog light. This one will still need a fog light. It's got sonar parking sensors front and back, and it's also got a rear camera. So let's open it up. He's taken off the rear mirror. That, if you want it, we can source one if you would like it, but rear camera is probably a lot more useful. And it's just got the normal well cab interior, but it's all nice. good headlining. And as mentioned, it has the skylight windows, giving you more light, if that's what you prefer. Anyway, the interior is very typical of these well cabs. Yeah, it's got easy closer rear door. Nice clean bumpers, front and rear. Yeah, if you're looking for a Hiace that's got a bit of a different look, this is one for you, but they don't normally come like this. It's kind of odd that somebody would do this to a well cab, but you get all sorts of people. But anyway, it's nice. It's, okay. Of course, it has the automatic step, which I presume must be turned off. Sorry. Anyway, it works. It's sorry about that. Didn't check the on-off switch. Anyway, yeah, the stab works. And also the sliding door is easy closer. Okay. Nice shiny wheels with good radials. And as mentioned, it's got the folding mirrors that are you can control from inside the car. He's also put a little wing mirror on, which gives you a bit of a view of your corner, of your side of the car. It's a 2008 August with 33,000 miles. Came from a Toyota auction. They graded it 3.5. Typically, yeah, that's in a TA auction, that's the equivalent of a grade 4 anywhere else. Nice looking front, as you can see, with sonar parking sensors on the front as well, and nice little fog lights. Okay, let's have a little look inside. Okay. Oops. Delivery companies here. Is that going to bother me? Okay. Maybe we'll just go to the door. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the air conditioning off for a moment. I'll put it on low. Yeah, how about that? So we don't have too much background noise. If you can see the mileage there, 54,000 kilometers basically. And we can start it up. Oh, here's the Japanese Takubin man. Japan has a fantastic delivery system. It's so you can see all the warning lights have gone off. Hang on, maybe I'll just sign for this guy. I'll just sign for him.
あと荷物。
荷物からウィーよ。あ、ちょっとビデオちょっと待って。Just okay. Okay. So I use sorry for that interruption. Yeah, we get a lot of deliveries, parts and wheels and you name it, and paperwork, probably about 10 a day. Okay, so that's the mileage, showing you the mileage. This guy, yeah, he's got a reverse camera. It's a little bit narrow in view, in my opinion. I would probably want to widen the angle. It's all there. And he's, where the ashtray was, really interesting. He's installed, it must have been a dealer option. It comes with two power sockets and two USB ports, which is kind of useful. It's a neat, I've never seen that before on a Hiace. And it also has the sonar parking sensor, air conditioning controls, and yeah, so you can see the auto step was off, and front fog lights, and the window controls. Yeah, these are features you don't know. Well, you don't get the window controls on typical Hiace. Yeah, I didn't show you the driver's seat, did I? Got distracted there. Anyway, let's. This one has the top glove box rather than the airbag, and I'm not sure what all that is, but anyway, a bunch of stuff in there. Passenger seat, center seat's all okay, and let me just show you the driver's seat. It comes, well, there's only one key right now, but it will come with two remote keys. We'll make another one. And also the carpet is worn here, but we have ordered another carpet and it will be changed, so the carpet will be fine. And one little blemish on the seat, there is a tiny little hole, there it is, tiny little hole on the seat. So if you want us to change the seat, we can. Obviously it will cost something, but it can be replaced. And our opinion was like it's so small, it's probably not worth it. But still, the carpet definitely we will change. It just hasn't come in yet. But when it comes in, we'll change it. All right. Oh, and the auction sheet. Might as well do it here. From a Toyota auction, in fact from my local TAA. Very nice auction. I think we've been members there for 25 years. Hiace 20, so it's 2008 August, 50, well basically 54,000 kilometers, 33,000 miles. And just remove the key, sorry. What is there to say about it? Well, it says W1 on the roof. Actually, they're touch-ups, paint touch-ups. The U3 on the back corner. Yeah, well, something's there, but nothing you would repair. We didn't do anything to the body on this car at all. It's a genuine 3.5. And it's a well cab, so they tend to come in with a few, well usually they come in with a lot more dings and scratches. Some of them are past being worth buying, but this one's a nice one. And okay, so key back in there, and so we'll just finish this off. Sorry for the interruption with the Tacubin guy. But anyway, 2008 August, 33,000 miles, Hiace. If this vehicle interests you, please contact Paul at Japan Auto Agents, and he can help you arrange the purchase of it. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll speak again soon. Bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.